Hi, my name is Nicole Bauman, and this is my screencast for our Module 3 water filter activity. Before starting this activity, I needed to do some research about the layers of the earth and the soil and the materials that were provided to me. I was then able to test out which layers went where and which filters I wanted to use. I was pleasantly surprised with the end result considering how dirty my water was in the beginning. I would make some changes if I were to do this again. One of the changes I would make were the cups that I used. They weren't very sturdy, and since they were so big, the structure kept falling over. I also didn't like that the cups were not clear, and I couldn't see which materials were inside of them and how the water flowed through each material. I would also use less of the materials in each cup to keep the water flowing quicker. At first, I used about half of each material, and I noticed that that was a little bit too much. Again, I think it was because of the size of the cups I used, so I would definitely use less next time. Overall, I thought this activity highlighted a lot of level 4s in the science practices continuum. I first gave a little level 3 for using mathematics because I didn't feel as though the activity highlighted any mathematical concepts. But after reviewing and looking back, I came to the conclusion that it would have been useful for me to measure out each material, and that could have been beneficial for the students. But again, that would have been something for the students to decide if that was necessary or not. So the mathematics did fall into a level 4 because the students had to decide which skills or concepts would help them answer their scientific question. The only section I was a little confused about was the obtaining, evaluating, and communicating information section. When I completed the activity, I had to research the layers of soil and the materials that were provided to me, but I didn't find that in the article with the students. And I didn't see that they had text to read through to help them find information about their topic or the materials that were given to them. So I think that would be useful in the future or if I were to complete this activity on my own. Overall, I really enjoyed this activity and thought it involved a lot of trial and error, patience, and collaboration. And it would definitely be an activity that I would like to use in the future with my own students.